What is going on, YouTube? We are back, day 2. It's been actually a couple of days. I've been busy with other personal stuff on my detailing business, but today we are going to try to fiberglass and make fiberglass. I don't know what I'm saying. We are going to fix and repair and patch the places on this bumper that need fiberglass repair. I guess I just found this new recent crack right here on the bumper, as well as the ones that I showed you previously in the last couple of scenes. So we're gonna go ahead and work on those. And then after that, we're gonna tape up this car, or I guess I'll start taping up the car now so I can get it out the way, which is the easy part, and then we'll get down to the hard parts. But we're gonna start masking the areas that we don't wanna necessarily sand down, like our trims, our plastics, and things that are surrounded by the car. And we're gonna go from there and try to get this car fully ready and prepped up. So if you're new to the channel, again, please make sure you're watching.
Parar por aí. Já estão.
Please make sure you like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get the rest of this video going. I can't even see me. Oh. So as you can see here, all those little places right here on the, gotta get that sanded and smooth so it doesn't peel as we freaking start putting the wrap on. That would be a disaster. So that's what we're gonna do there. We also got some up top here too that we're gonna work with. Great painters do great things, right? So we're gonna work on that as well. All right, guys, next I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding the places that we've already had, and we're gonna start with 420. Hopefully 420 is all we need to get to the clear. Not to the clear, get it nice and smooth. But versus the bumper where we had to really get down at 120 and bring it back up so we can get all those paint chipping and flakes off to where I wouldn't disturb the wrap when we're pulling up and down in a forward motion. So that's gonna be up next. Ooh, I just noticed there's a nice little hole. That's nice in my garage, but yeah, we're gonna do that. Let's go ahead and get started. I have my sander right behind me, and we're gonna start at the top, and we're gonna unfortunately go down to the door. At this point, the Z is gonna look all patched up. I'm a little sad, but better to start now than never. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start on this side now. We got a couple of things to fix. Raw. Let me show y'all what we're looking like. So right here, we've got a whole bunch of paint peeling, and I want that to peel all the way down the door. We need to fix, if we can focus, boom. So we gotta get that all nice and done. So we're gonna sand that as well. I think I'm going to try to Bondo this little split end crack that we have right here on the rocker panel. And I guess we go from there on this side. Let me show you what the other side actually looks like. I'm over here, oh, I'm tripping. Then on this side, I kind of like sanded over here as well. Made sure that was nice and smooth. Did this over here as well. And of course we got the door. All the places I was peeling, we got that pretty much removed. I'm gonna probably do a little bit of Bondo work here, so I'm leaving the tape on there to clean up, because it's down to bare metal. Let's not leave it like that. And smoothing it out towards the end. This place had a nice piece of chipping going on right here, so I also sanded that down. I'm gonna Bondo a little bit because it's a little low. You can feel it by the hand. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with this spoiler, guys. I think I'm just gonna leave it. I feel like it's gonna be a lot of work to smooth, but we're gonna see. And also, this is what the top looks like. Ain't that crazy? But I wanna work on peeling paint first, then places we need to Bondo after. So, yep, let's go ahead, try to finish up this car. Oh, just going to need another one. I have been lollygagging for far too long. We're almost done though. We've gotten some other spots. I got some on the door, and I'm about to do the rear glass. Rear glass? What am I saying? Justin, you need to go to bed, man. It's 12 o'clock and midnight, and you have work. Can you guys see? You guys see? You see what I'm doing? Oh, it's kind of dark over here, man. All right, so that is pretty much all I got for us. Ugh, that is pretty much all I got for us today. We've pretty much sanded a whole bunch of stuff in the car, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. Get this out the way. Here we got some of the door that has some dings here that I found. You see I have sanded. These are just where I touched up spots. We'll end up filling later on down the road when we get to the filling part, but mainly everything that I really wanted to do when it comes down to sanding is complete. I sanded this door down here. You've gotten this, and I also looked online a little bit while chatting that they have like this aftermarket window seal because you have to take out the actual window, and I'm not gonna be doing all that. So I'm gonna get an aftermarket seal, take this one out in a sense, scrape out the gunk and other stuff out, and then put the aftermarket seal on top of this and call it a day. Let's go over to this side. Found some more places with some dings, and there was 2 here, 1 there, 1 there. Fixed this side of the door, as you can see. Everywhere I sanded these places, I'm pretty much gonna either Bondo or repair. And then this spoiler probably was the one that kind of ended my night in a rough way. Because what is that? There's a hole in here. What is this spoiler made out of glass? But as you can see, some little spots here and there. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take off this spoiler to wrap the rest of this car, which I didn't think about. But yeah. Wish I could do it all in one piece. Maybe I could. No, I can't. It's gonna pill up over here, so this has to come down. That'll be in the further videos when we start actually wrapping the car, but so far so good. Last thing I need to do is just record everything that I need to buy, like new clips and stuff, and we're good to go. Before the camera dies, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check us out in the next one, and we'll get back to it. Peace. Psych! Yo, 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 yo. We are back, and today we are going to be actually trying to commit to Bondo. So you guys didn't see this because I went ahead and got a little steps ahead, and pretty much I ended up jacking the car up, taking off the rear spoiler, which I'll show you guys a little bit later, and finishing up some little stuff here and there, taking off the window, rear window stripping and things of that nature. And I forgot to bring the box of packages from Z1. Shit! Anywho, so today we're gonna be just doing Bondo work. I guess we can hold off on the Z1 stuff. We don't need them right now anyways, except for the window stripping, but we can put that on after we've Bondoed, primered the car. So that's gonna be what we're going to do for today. If you're new to the channel, again, please like and subscribe so I can get paid on this, so y'all can pay me so I can continue doing this stuff on the Z. But anywho, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna attempt to mix some Bondo up, make some hardener, and do some stuff. And we're gonna apply it on there, and hopefully my Z does not fall all the way apart when it's time to put this wrap on. But we're getting close, we're getting close. It looks like shit right now, but we're getting very, very close. All right. Guys, we're gonna mix up some Bondo today. Do this much of a glop for now. And that's it. Now we gotta go mix it. Let me go grab my mixer. I don't have my mixer. My mixer is right here. We're gonna use this one as a mixer. Devontae, can you bring the camera in while I mix it? Don't leave the chemicals. I think
This shit is not safe.
it stinks really bad.
They're cut and coke.
Cut and ba 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 da ba. I'm loving it. Don't need that much. We got a limited amount of time to work on this shit. All right, guys. So our Bondo has definitely pretty much hardened up. So we're gonna go ahead and start sanding with my little sander right here. So hope you guys enjoy. Today, we're just gonna be trying to finish up a couple of things. So I wish I had a cameraman. We have the bumper here. I don't know if you can see on this side, but pretty much we kind of filled it in with some fiberglass. If you look up top, it has some here. It's been hardened and resined. I'm gonna try to see if I can body fill just this area here. We'll sand this down, bring it back down to peak, and see what we can do. And we'll go from there. I'm wearing gloves this time, so it's sand with my hands. All right, we did the spoiler. We also did the bumper. As we wait for those to dry, I guess I'm gonna go dance for 30 minutes or so. I think it takes typically about 15 minutes before it's ready to sand. I'll feel to touch and figure it out, but here's all the affected spots on the bumper. The bumper, I'm not touching that bottom piece. I'm not too much caring on that part, but we added some more here. It's like a weird spot, but this is just about as much as I'm gonna go on Bondo for the car. Oh no, I forgot this. I'm gonna add a little bit more and do that too. So we'll do that, and then yeah, we'll be good. We will be good. Go ahead and sand this bad boy down. It's pretty much hardened. I've been sitting here for a while, so let's see what I can do before it gets too dark. Y'all probably can hear me or not, but let's get to it.